Welcome to simplysportbikes.com. Here we have a 2007 BMW K1200S. This video we'll do a quick walk around of the bike, then fire it up so you can hear what it sounds like. Starting out at the front of the bike. See the nose fairing is very clean. No rock chips or dents. Does have an aftermarket zero gravity windscreen on it for a little bit more wind protection. Front fender, very clean. These are great bikes. Sport touring, heavy emphasis on the sport. Has 167 horsepower and almost 96 foot-pounds of torque, so it's definitely a quick bike at a weight of 500 pounds. Moving down to the brake side fairing. See, it's clean, no scrapes or scratches. Moving up to the gas tank. Tiny little scratch there, a couple swirl marks, but for 23,000 miles, not too bad at all. Does have the luggage on there. Single-sided swing arm, pretty cool. Moving around to the tail of the bike, you can see both seats, clean, no rips or tears. Nope, single seat, excuse me, but the seat is clean, no rips or tears. Michelin Pilot Power, with excellent tread life on there. Wheels extremely clean. Whole bike's extremely clean. Got a helmet lock on there. Tank grip pads. It's fired up so you can hear what it sounds like. Shot on the mileage there for you. Around to the other side of the bike. See the taillight in action. So as you can hear, pretty tame for the amount of power it has. Moving around to the clutch side. Clutch side fairing, also very clean. Bike does have ABS. Just a great all-around bike. It will receive a full 25-point mechanical inspection and come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty, as well as a lifetime parts discount. Thank you for visiting simplysportbikes.com.